Hi everyone, it's Sarah Reynolds with the Modern Real Estate team coming to you from the Modern headquarters for your October market update. The big hot topic on everyone's mind right now, again, is always interest rates. We know the Bank of Canada held their overnight rate this past week, which brings a sigh of relief for anyone with a variable rate mortgage. The other hot topic is all of the government regulations that are coming down the pipeline. This always happens in election years. So 2024, we are going to expect an election with the BC government. So the big announcement from this past month was all about the Airbnb regulations changing. That would come into effect in May of next year. And what they're trying to do is take all of the housing inventory that is in short-term rentals and bring it back into the long-term housing market. We're already starting to see a bunch of new condos coming on the market, and people hate uncertainties, so a lot of people are not purchasing condos right now. So that market has slowed right down. We are starting to see the inventory climb. So in the end of October, we had 2,756 active listings. That's up 564 listings from this time last year. Another metric that we look at is months of inventory. So that's how many months it would take for all the inventory to get bought up. And in August and September, for single family homes in the core map areas, it was sitting around 4 months of inventory, and that's jumped up to 6.5 months of inventory. So we are starting to climb out of this low inventory environment. It's just taking a while. The benchmark value of a single family home in Victoria is $1,305,900, and that is up 3.9% from last year. So prices are still a bit high, but as inventory starts to climb, and because interest rates are so high, not a lot of people can afford housing, we will start to see a bit of a shift in prices. It'll be interesting to see how long we can last in this high interest rate environment, because starting next year, we're going to see a lot of mortgage renewals coming up and going from very low interest rates into much higher interest rates. So stay tuned for next month's market update.